In this video, I will be explaining how you can install WSL in Windows. So WSL stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. So most of the times developers face a lot of issues when working on Windows 10 system, and in that case WSL is very useful because if they are compatible with Linux commands, then they also want to use the Linux commands when working in Windows 10 as well, and that's when this WSL comes into picture. So to install this, what you have to do is open the PowerShell in administrator mode. So just search for the PowerShell and right click and then click on run as administrator, and then you have to execute this command, which is called as WSL -install, WSL -install, and then just hit enter. It will install the WSL, and then you have to restart the computer after this. Once you restart the computer, you have to go to the start menu, and then you will be able to see this Ubuntu. So this is the default distribution that will be installed. So just click on that, and then the root account will be already there, which you can use. So you can see that I am using root account, but you can add new users through the command line here, or you can execute basically any commands. So you can also use the applications that are installed on Windows 10 as well. So for example, I have installed VS Code in Windows 10, but I can launch that application from the WSL. So just I can execute this command code, which will launch VS Code for me. And also there is also other commands, like for example git, and all other standard Linux commands are available there, which I can use. So that's all. It's very simple. So just install the WSL and take advantage of the Linux commands on Windows 10. It's a boon for the developers. Thanks for watching.